Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to convert PowerPoint to PDF file. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps us a lot. So let's dive in. Now first of all, open PowerPoint on your computer. Select the desired presentation. You want to convert it into PDF. Okay, now go over here on top left corner and click on File. Now click on Save As right over here. Now here click on this drop down arrow and select PDF. Enter the name here, file name. Now click on, okay. Select the file destination by clicking over here. Now that's it. That's how you can convert PowerPoint to PDF, as you can see. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.